Hi guys, so ngayon guys, bagong vlog na naman tayo guys ngayong araw. Ayun, so ngayon guys, may gagawin tayo guys, isa pa. Ayan. Kaya magpa-vlog ulit tayo ngayon. Sorry guys, hindi ko kasi kasama yung dalawang ko guys, pinsan ko guys, hindi ko pa kasama. Sino to guys? Ayan guys, so ngayon nandito na ako guys. Wait guys, ko lang tayo konti. Ayun guys pala yung kotse ko. Di pala guys. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Dito tayo guys. Parang guys yung mga guys dyan. Yung mga nakalagay dyan guys. Yan, damit. Ito guys, yung mga damit yung center. Ayan dito. Vlog. Dito yung pang lalaki. Ito naman yung pang babae. Yan, punta pa dito.
Oh, hey! I was just sitting here thinking about life. What's the purpose of life? I don't know. But I could really use a smoothie.
Para doon sa guys kami.
Have you ever had a smoothie before?
So ngayon guys, ay bumaba na sa pulis.
So refreshing.
Ang gusto mo kaya guys. So ngayon guys, hanap pang guys tayo ng bahay. So okay na po yun. House 13 lang po kayo talaga. Baka po kasi makita nyo po kami. Ayan lang po pangalan namin. Ayan po yung account ko guys. Kita nyo po yan. Ayan. Ayan. So ito talaga pangalan guys. Pangalan ko naman sa YouTube. Bea Roblox 17 kasi. Talaga Roblox kami.
Doesn't that look tasty? Yeah. Okay, now let's blend them all up. It's all on the ground. Okay, let's put them in the blender. One apple in the blender. And let's do a strawberry in the blender. Okay, let's blend it up. Alright, now it's all blended up. I need to grab a cup.
Ayun nga guys, pero guys, wait lang.
Okay, here's one cup.
Tulog na tayo guys.
Smoothie. Now, let's make some juice. Let's come over to this juicer. Let's just put it right in there. The yellow lemon, green apple, and the red strawberry. Put the lid on. Here we go.
Ay, kakagising ko lang na naman guys. Sobrang kakagising naman yung antok ko guys. Grabe. Natapos na natin yung natin, pagkatulog natin, no?
Grocery store.
Grabe. Ah. Sakit. Aray ko. Sana nga gising na tayo. Aray ko. Kaya nga, ano nga tayo guys. Lutok na tayo guys. Ayan guys. Kung maglulutok tayo. Ayan guys. So ngayon guys. Ayan nga guys, kakatapos ko ng magluto guys. Ayan nga guys, ano na guys ako. Kain ako. Sarap. Sarap. Ayun nga guys, so ngayon guys, naubos na ngayon pagkain natin.
Meron na? Saan dumaan?
Ayun nga, naubos ko na yung pagkain ko. Tara na nga.
Let's put that in our basket. Good job. Okay, we have some more items to pick.
Ito guys.
We have milk. Oh, we have whipped cream. Which one of these is healthy? Yeah, that's pretty healthy. Whipped cream. Lots of sugar. Not so healthy. Put that back. And let's move on. Oh, another aisle. Ooh.
Ayun nga guys, so ngayon guys, wait lang. Ayan guys, tuwan ko po sa inyo kung paano magkuha ng mga kahit ano. Kung paano ko, kung kahit ano. Ayan. Tapos ngayon lang gamit nyo. Ayan.
For the brownies? Not too healthy. I really do like brownies. But we need to get
Ayaw talaga gumana guys. Kasi matangkad ako. Kailangan ko muna guys kayo. Alam niyo na guys, magpaliit. Gagapang lang kayo guys kaul. Ayan, gagapang lang. Guys, pero ayaw niya gumana. Higa ka lang guys.
doing such a good job shopping healthy. Let's pick a cupcake or a donut. I have an idea. How about
Guys, ay gumana.
a cupcake? Put them right there. Save those for later. Good job.
Ano guys, so ngayon guys.
Here we go. Let's check out
Ayusin na natin to.
all these items.
Sabugin na natin to.
Alright. Okay. You need to scan them and then purchase them.
Tapos nalakat.
I'm making sure that it's
Lalak ko guys. Yan.
Is a wheel and a tire. Pretty heavy. There we go. Okay. Line. There we go.
Hintayin nyo lang guys.
Then let's take these lug nuts and
Yan. Pukpukin nyo lang ng pukpukin.
it fell down. Okay. Turn this on and turn it clockwise, just like this. Okay, now that's kind of tight. Let's take the gun and do a star shape. Perfect. Awesome. Now let's check the engine port. Okay. Cylinder's working really good. Battery looks awesome. Ah, air filter. Looks like it could be cleaned. Let me go right over here. Nice and clean.
Wait lang guys, air filter kasi kung ano.
Antifreeze and coolant. What this
Ayun guys, nasira na nga guys.
winter and it's cold during summer. Right there. What sprays on your windshield? Cleans off the windshield so you can see. Fluid looks good. The power steering fluid looks good.
Ayun nga guys, nakuha natin isang gold at isang diamond. Guys, so guys, dito na po magkakatapos yan ng ating mga video. Sige na guys, bye-bye. Next time yun lang guys para pag-vlog ako. Yun lang. Thanks. Sana po manood po kayo sa yung video ko po. Thank you.